Hello Lovies, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be using my Welcome Autumn and Fall Critter sticker sheets to create some adorable birthday cards for my mom and my daughter. They both have birthdays in September. My mom's is the 1st and my daughter's is the 5th, and I thought it would be wonderful to take my sticker sheets and make some cards for them for their birthday, for their special day. So my thoughts were to make my mom a really cute foxy one like I'm showing you here. This is my Fall Critter sticker sheet. I thought she would love the little foxes. And then to take my daughter's with the little girl, that one is Welcome Autumn, and make her a like little coffee themed one because I plan on putting a Starbucks gift card in that one for her birthday. So of course, to get started, if you would like to make your own little cards for birthdays, you're going to need a card. And I got mine from the Hot Buys from Michael's when they were on sale, big pack of them. I think there's like 50 cards. I just picked some nice colors. Of course, you're going to need your favorite fall stickers, which mine just happened to be the Welcome Autumn and Fall Critters sticker sheets, which guys, you can find my stickers on my Patreon page. At a $5 level, you'll be receiving these stickers. So I offer so much more at totally different levels. Any support would be so greatly appreciated. If you check out my Patreon page, all in there is all my goals, and you'll have in-depth things that I don't show on my YouTube channel and things like that. So guys, if you're ever interested in like knowing me better and having some of the stuff that I make and products and things like that, please check out my Patreon page. It'll be linked down below. So we're going to get started here. I'm going to speed the video up a little bit, otherwise it'd be a little lengthy. I had a couple phone calls in here, so if you happen to see my phone in a little glance or anything like that, I had a couple phone calls in the middle of it. But you're going to need some adorable washi as well, and I used a little paper pad to have some cardstock on top of the cards because I love the cardstock look, and then I add washi on top of it to add layers to my card, and I love that look. And then the first card I'm working on is my mom's, which I told you earlier in the video that I was gonna do kind of like a foxy theme on hers. I took my Jelly Roll white gel pen and I wrote on that black paper birthday girl and added some like little stars on it, and I'm just going to cut it out, and that's going to be what I'm going to use on the front to signify that this is a birthday card. So I'm just cutting that out so that I kind of have a placement of where I want it to go. And then I picked out some really cute washi that I just love. That little fox washi with the teal background that has the fall leaves in it. I actually got that from AC Moore's. I love that washi. So I just kind of go for it and kind of coordinated my colors in with that. And believe it or not, the rest of the washi that I'm using that you see, I got from the Dollar Tree. So I just loved the colors, and it still speaks fall to me because of the designs that are on them, and I love how it all tied in together. So I'm just going to kind of do like a little quick layout kind of first before I peel the backs off my stickers and, you know, commit. And then this little fox washi though took me forever to get laid down, and then I figured if I cut it, it would be easier for me to kind of get it to lay flat on the card. And then once I kind of layer up with the washi, then I will peel the backs off my stickers and get them laid down. But I really love the layering, which if you don't have a lot of washi, you can kind of achieve the same exact look with cardstock. You can just cut cardstock in all different colors and things like that and just kind of like layer them up, and you will achieve that same look. It's just washi's easy because it's already sticky, just like stickers. And then I just layered the stickers on top of it. And even if you wanted to make this more layered, I just didn't have any on me, you can actually get the little like foam stickers. And what you would do is you'd put the foam stickers on the back of like birthday girl, like that little sign I made, and then that would actually lift that up off the page well, not the page, but the card, and then that birthday girl would kind of stick out more through the stickers, and it would look more like 3D. So it just depends on what you wanted. I glued it flat, but if I would have had some of those little foamy backs, I would have popped the birthday girl up off the page. But it's whatever you have on hand, and that's what I had on hand. And then I'm going to take the larger fox, and I'm going to put her on the inside. I love these. I had so much fun drawing these. I don't know if it's picking up on the camera or not here, but my little foxes have bows and like fall leaves or acorns in with their bow, and I just think they turned out so cute. And the reason why I chose foxes for my mom is because the saying that I want to put inside her birthday card, which is "You're still foxy." So I thought she would really get a kick out of that. And you know, I'm getting older myself, and sometimes you just need to be told that you're still foxy and cute and pretty, and I thought my mom would appreciate being told that she's still foxy. So that's why I kind of chose the fox theme for my mom, and I love the colors. So I think that turned out super cute. It's very feminine, very girly, and of course it's homemade. And then for my daughter, I just thought it'd be very appropriate to use the girl on my Welcome Autumn sticker sheet. I just thought she was adorable with her little boots and everything like that. And I'm kind of mixing her in with more of like a coffee theme, because in my Welcome Autumn sticker sheet as well, I drew a pumpkin spice coffee cup, and I drew another one that says hug in a mug, and I drew a muffin, and my daughter is like, you know, so into all that stuff. She gotta have her Starbucks, she gotta have her muffins, she gotta have her fall boots. So I just thought that fit her so much more. And then I chose some washi that kind of coordinated with all that as well. And then instead of giving her pink, because she's like, so like, I don't want pink, she's at that age, she's gonna be 16 September 5th, she's turning 16. I just thought the teal would go better, but the teal, pink, and brown looks so good together. I love it. I love the teal, pink, and brown. I think those are so non-traditional, like fall colors, but boy, do they go well together. So I loved how all that turned out. And I love the little girl on the front. I just feel like that is so fitting for a 16-year-old, and her birthday, you know, is the beginning of autumn, September 5th. So I just thought this went really well together. And then I'm going to actually use the pumpkin spice and the little pumpkin muffin on the inside, and I have an adorable washi that goes with that. But again, you can achieve the same kind of layered look, like I said earlier, if you don't have a lot of washi, with cardstock paper, whether it have design on it or it's just solid colors. You can build layers either way, stickers, washi, or more cardstock. I just feel like the more layers a card has, the more depth it has, and I just feel like it's very pretty, in my personal opinion. So whatever suits you, but this is kind of my style, and I love it. I think it turns out so cute. And then I'm going to take it on the inside, and I'm just going to do this whole kind of coffee theme, but carry over the same colors, because like I said earlier in the video, I'm going to put a Starbucks gift card in there for her, because she is obsessed with Starbucks. So that'll very much make her day. So I use the little pumpkin spice like latte sticker right there in the corner, and the little muffin, and at the top it says Brutiful Day with a muffin and coffee cup. So I thought that was so fitting, and I'm just playing with a few little stickers here, but I really like the one that says hug in a mug, and I love that pop of blue, which also happens to be in that washi that has that like teal, pink, and brown. So I thought it was very fitting. So I'm going to carry that over to the other side as well. And I really love how this all pulls together. And then I'm going to lay down my little sticker here, and again, that sticker is from Welcome Autumn. I'm going to trim it, and then I'm going to put on there, have a beautiful birthday for my daughter. And I think this is very fitting for her for a 16-year-old. And I love receiving homemade personal cards, so I assume they will too. So I like how it all turned out. I love that I got to use my own homemade stickers made with my homemade card, and I just think that makes it all the more special. And again, guys, you can use these stickers in so many different ways, whether it be homemade cards, whether it be in your bullet journals, or in a stuffed envelope. So if you're really interested in getting these for yourself, I'm going to say it one more time, guys, please check out my Patreon page. There's all different levels on there, from $2 to $10, and each one offers its own thing. So you get to choose. My goals and things are all on there, and I would just love to connect with you guys that way. But this is my cute little card video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's like my first video for fall. How exciting is that? Is everybody as excited as I am for fall? Because I am like super excited, and now I'm rambling. So anyways, guys, have a great day. Always do what you love. Be blessed and take care of you. I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.